So, hindi porket toxic ang relationship ninyo dahil sabi mo si partner ay may babae, may lalaki, nambubugbog, hindi nagsusupport, madaming utang, inabandon na kayo, sumama na nga sa kabila, may anak pa sila. Hindi siya automatically na ground for annulment because those grounds are for legal separation. And of course, legal separation, hindi yan, hindi madidissolve ang kasal ninyo, which means na hindi kayo pwedeng magpakasal sa iba. Now, if you will not frame it in a way to convince the court that those are just manifestations of a deeper reason na meron kasi siyang psychological incapacity to fulfill those obligation, na instead of fulfilling the marital obligation, ganun yung ugali niya. Deep-seated siya, hindi siya incurable siya, nagsimula pa noon bago pa kayo magpakasal o kaya lumabas bigla nung kasal na kayo, okay, and then you will support it with sufficient evidence, okay, then pwede siyang maging ground for annulment. Pwede siyang i-grant ng court. May mga cases naman tayo, 2023, 2024, 2025 cases. These were denied cases but it went to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court said, yes, these are grounds for these are grounds for annulment under psychological incapacity because of the totality of the events and how it was presented. So, na-convince yung court na, okay, ito nga, parang grabe na siya, incurable siya. Okay? So, yung mga nagtatanong dyan, before you ask how much is annulment, paano ako mag-file, you consult first. Magpa-consult kayo. Lagi yung sinasabi nga, magpa-assess muna kayo kung may grounds ba. Kung yung grounds ba ninyo ay pwede nating i-frame or pasok ba siya sa psychological incapacity. Totality ng events ba, ng evidence na meron kayo, pasok siya sa psychological incapacity or yung Article 36 na sinasabi natin para ma-annul yung kasal ninyo. Kasi nga, ito, you are risking yung denial ng petition mo. Okay, pwede mo siyang i-refile, i-appeal, depende nga, yung refiling is depende pa sa denial. Okay, pagka wala nang appeal, wala na. Ngayon, kung pwede pa siyang i-appeal, gagastos ka ulit. Maghihintay ka ulit. Okay? So, again, hindi lahat, unfortunately, nung mga napagdaanan nyo or yung mga circumstances nyo, pasok siya sa ground ng psychological incapacity for annulment. Magpa-assess kayo. Magpatulong kayo para mapahanda na rin ninyo